In experiment 5, we'll be creating a college day invitation using borders and shading option, word art and pictures. The first step is same, that we need to create a blank document like this. Then the second step is you need to first type your invitation in this model with good font and alignments representing a college day header and also the details related to invitation regarding seminar, guest lecture or any workshop, any event that is organized by the college with the details, date and time and the guest of honors if they are present. Then you need to type all the information like this. So as you know how to type in the document, I am not discussing about this. You need to prepare an invitation in this way. Then from step 3 I will be explaining in this video. You need to insert word art which identifies a particular gallery representation. You can select that gallery representation using the font work under insert menu. So let us go to that particular option. In insert menu I am going with font work. Automatically there are different font work styles. I am selecting one of them. Suppose I am selecting favorite 2 and I am clicking on OK button. Just observe how the style has appeared. Just double click on that so that the same text will be displayed here, and you need to type here college day celebrations so that the text will be edited. Font work now is replaced with college day celebrations. You can simply resize however you need. By clicking on this text, you will identify a square boxes and an arrow representation. You can reduce the size and place whatever is convenient to you in order to look better font. So after selecting this, what you need to do? You have placed the text using font work. Now you need to place some image. For placing an image, you can just go to our college website and you can select our logo. Like some college will be selecting over. Some college I have selected in this way. It's still loading. So you can take, suppose this is some image, like this image you want to place. Then you can simply right click on that, save image as, and you can select an image with title as image underscore logo and save this file. Now just go into this window, you select insert media. Under media you can take gallery, or else you can take directly here gallery insert image option. There you can select our location of the file. You need to go with all formats, image logo. That is the name I have given, so I am opening that. Automatically the image will be displayed in this way. So you can place the image. So this is with placing the image. Now you can insert border also by going to the insert menu and selecting page option. I think in format you can find, you can select borders and you can select 4 sides borders, and you can increase the border size and any color you can apply and click on OK, so that your invitation will be placed in this